Ladies and what the hell are we doing today? Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the show. A lot of you have been asking me to make Vaporwave by Windows 96, so what I did is I went all beyond and above and all this stuff and actually downloaded Windows 96 on my machine, despite all the struggle and compatibility issues. As you can see, this post been 1 month ago, and since that time I was trying to make everything work on my machine so that the Windows 96 can actually run Ableton, and as you can see, I managed to make Ableton run on this system. Very smooth, very nice. So because a lot of people have been asking for this, I'm gonna deliver, and today we're gonna make Vaporwave by Windows 96 music. I did not know that the Microsoft Windows 96 is actually an artist. The more you know, right? And it makes the exact music that you guys asked about, like a lot of you guys. Let's see what this is, because I have no idea actually what that is. And let's make something cool. Okay, let's do it. CZV. Okay, so we need a dark sound. I think it has to be kind of like an underwater sound. Use some Portal, I think. Oof, hell yeah. Increase this from here, I guess, to here. Can I automate the depth? No? Yes? Oh, hell yes. We can automate this right here. So it opens. What we're looking for is we're looking for just a delay but reversed. Oh, hell yeah. So we can turn that into a pad actually and make it super like watery kind of thing. Oh, hell yeah. Hell yeah, what the hell? RC20 right here? Is it gonna play the noise without audio? Yep. Coolio, coolio. Okay, so this is gonna play right here. And we need some bass right now. CZV. Okay, we need a different sound. Oh, sidechain. Sidechain these knots. Okay, pretty good. What now? Yeah, like dreamy. That does work partially, but does not fully. It's like out of tune a little bit. Okay, so breath. There we go. Okay, ocean! I like to swim in the ocean. Hi-hat drums. Okay, take a part of this. So we are alternating between this and this. Oh, hell yeah. Oh, maybe not. Oh, hell yeah. It sounds like wet, like... Level 2. So we do See how the groove is being done in here? Oh, and we can put a... Fuck. I am retarded. Oh, that's pretty good. Like, that's amazing. Reverses, I think. Yep. It's like it sounds so cool. Okay. I guess we duplicate this. So there has to be holes there. And add some hats. Okay, that's pretty cool. We're gonna duplicate this. Where's the breath? Here. Can add rain instead. I think it's pretty good, honestly. As for the first try, I think it's pretty decent. I think it's pretty accurate. Yep. Wait, does this work? It doesn't. What do I do with this? It's out of scale here. Kinda works. It kinda doesn't. Did I fix it? Kinda. I think I fixed it. Hey, big brain. Huh. Big brain. Huge brain. What the hell? Maybe put this thing here. So it kind of like introduces something. I'm gonna resample. See how cool this is? Ladies and gentlemen, boom! Oh yeah, baby. Ladies and gentlemen, good job. I mean, good, what the fuck, good job for me. Hell yeah, look at that. Plus 7. Okay, minus. Oh, hell yeah. Oh. Oh, hell yeah. What the hell? Clean. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. I told you I know how to make Vaporwave, and so I did produce Vaporwave in Ableton on Windows 96. Bruh. I hope you're satisfied. That one person who asked. By the way, have you heard about the genre called penis music? Did you hear it? Did you not hear it? If you didn't, Check out this video when I make penis music. It turned out amazing and hilarious. It's my favorite genre. Check it out. Don't just look at me, click it. Penis music.